I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to make your app icons clear on your Apple iPhone or iPad. And to be clear, this option will only be available if you're using iOS 26 or newer on your Apple device. Step 1. Press a finger against an open space on your iPhone or iPad home screen until your apps start to shake. Step 2. Tap Edit on this screen. A menu opens. Step 3. Tap Customize. A customized menu pops up on this screen. Step 4. Tap Clear in this menu. Your iPhone apps will immediately change to be clear. You can use the menu to toggle them between light and dark, or you can choose Auto if you want your iPhone to automatically adjust between the two options. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.